Hi friends, welcome back to Dash of Spices. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a quick and easy chicken breast recipe with asparagus in the air fryer. This is a one basket meal. And let's get started. What I have here is about 3 pounds of the boneless, skinless chicken breast that I got from Walmart. All you have to do is use a paper towel to kind of pat it dry. We're going to need a bowl and we're going to mix all the spices that we need. Start with this chicken seasoning, no salt from Mrs. Dash, Italian seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and that's it. Just simply mix them together until they're well combined. We're going to preheat the air fryer unit 360 degrees for 4 minutes. While that air fryer is preheating, let's go ahead and season the meat. Make sure to use a paper towel just to kind of get all that water out, or pat that dry gently. And then drizzle it with olive oil or any oil you prefer. And then start seasoning it with the mixed seasoning. You're going to do this on both sides of the meat. Just simply work these spices into the meat. You could use the gloves, it's really up to you. I use my clean hands, but again, if you prefer more into a safety way, a safer way, then use the gloves. Again, season the backside and pat that seasoning into the meat. Now that's all done, we're gonna place this in a air fryer basket. You could put the entire pack of this chicken breast, the 3 pounds, into this basket, but I don't like doing that since this is chicken. But this is really up to you. This is a little bit time consuming, but you could put them all together in one basket. We're going to cook this chicken breast in 360 degrees for 9 minutes. Then after 9 minutes, you're going to flip this on the other side and continue on cooking 360 degrees for 9 minutes. Back in the air fryer, again, cook this 360 degrees for 9 minutes. After 9 minutes, remove the chicken meat from the air fryer unit. Remove the basket from the air fryer unit. This is the best tool you could get if you have an air fryer, is the meat thermometer. I highly recommend this one. Make sure to check if it got the right temperature. Just place this in a plate and wrap this with foil, or if you have an oven, just put this inside the oven. And then continue on with the rest of the chicken. Place the chicken into the basket, cook it 360 degrees for 9 minutes. Same thing, flip this on the other side and continue cooking. After that, remove the meat. Look how good looking that chicken breast is. Now we're going to put the asparagus. First, drizzle a little bit of olive oil and then add that chicken seasoning, no salt chicken seasoning from Mrs. Dash, and just kind of mix them together so they're all well seasoned. Place the asparagus into the basket, back into the basket. Lay it flat in a one single layer as much as possible. Put or place back the chicken breast, just like what I'm doing right here. Place this back in the air fryer unit. Cook for 400 degrees for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, here is the air fried chicken breast with asparagus, a one basket meal. This is easy to make. You guys could make this easily. You could adjust the seasoning to your liking. It's really up to you. This is by far the quickest and easiest to make a chicken breast. Not dry, moist, and everybody loves it. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed to our channel. Thank you everyone for coming back and see us. I appreciate all your support. Until next time, ciao.